Hi, Leo. Now, before we start, I do want to mention that I am available for private readings. And for more information on my services, please go to my website, firemoonalchemy.com. And if you are enjoying this content and find the messages helpful, I would appreciate your giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything and it would help me out a lot. Okay, that being said, let's get to the messages. So, Leo, your cards for June are the Spiritual Warrior from the Art of Manifestation Oracle deck and the Ace of Wands. So, your Oracle card reads, the pathway of the spiritual warrior and the calling of your soul. Very powerful. So the Ace of Wands tarot card is a symbol of new beginnings, passion, and creativity. And this card is pure fire energy. And for you, Leo, this aligns perfectly with your ruling planet, the sun. Now, as June unfolds, the sun's movement through Gemini and into Cancer will illuminate your 11th house of friendships and social connections before it transitions into your 12th house of spirituality and inner reflection later in the month. So, Leo, this month is all about embracing your role as the spiritual warrior. The Ace of Wands is urging you to ignite your inner fire and pursue new ventures with enthusiasm and courage. Have you been feeling a spark of inspiration lately? Now is the time to act on it. And this card suggests a surge of creativity and potential. And this can be in the form of a new project, hobby, or relationship. Now, as the sun energizes your 11th house, you will find yourself drawn to group activities and social networks. June is an excellent time for collaborating with others and sharing your visionary ideas. So engage with your community, attend events, and allow your natural Leo charisma to shine. The Ace of Wands is also about leadership, so others may be inspired to join your group, team, cause, or project. Around the time of the new moon on June 6th, pay attention to opportunities that arise through your connections. They may hold the key to manifesting your vision or goal. Now, mid-month, when the sun transitions into your 12th house, you'll feel an energetic shift inviting you to slow down and reflect. Any challenges or roadblocks that you face during this time will test your inner resolve and determination. Now, as I glance at your Oracle card, Leo, remember a spiritual warrior doesn't shy away from a challenge. So if you are being confronted or tested in some way, spend time in a quiet space to explore your inner landscape and to connect with your higher self for guidance. Journaling, and I'm also seeing automatic writing for some of you, may be very helpful for you. During the month of June, Leo, the answers you seek will come from the wisdom within. Now, Leo, the full moon in Capricorn on June 21st illuminates your 6th house of health, daily routines, and work. Now, this transit urges you to balance your fiery passion and creativity with grounded practicality. Capricorn's disciplined energy invites you to take a good look at your daily routines and to ask yourself if there's room for improvement. It's a perfect time to set intentions related to fitness, nutrition, and your work or career goals. Now, you know what, Leo? This reading reminds me of the traits of iconic martial arts movie characters, right? Like Mr. Miyagi, Bruce Lee, IP Man, and even some of the characters from, I think it's on Netflix, a series called Alchemy of Souls. These hero archetypes embody the essence of the spiritual warrior. Now, watching a movie or two in this genre might be inspiring for you. Their daily routines are organized and disciplined with everything they do having a reason or purpose. They stay true to their convictions and exude quiet confidence and steady resolve. And these are all traits that make a great leader. Okay, Leo, I think that about does it for me. I hope these messages were helpful for you. I love you, Leo. And just know that I'm back here cheering for you. I know you're going to do great in the month of June.